Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of NFC.cool. Today I was stumbling over some recommendations in the YouTube Studio app which told me like how to create a Google review QR code. And since I have a function for that in my app, I guess I'm the best one to show you how that works. So go to the iOS App Store and download NFC.cool tools. Once you've done that, we go in the app and tap the QR and barcode tab, say create QR code and tap Google review link, and then we type in our business. I'll take just a random one right now and I say pasta de pasta and tap save. And here's our Google review link now on a QR code, but we're not done yet. We can even go further. We can go to the QR code studio and either take a template, let's say Google Maps or just a Google logo, or we go completely random shapes, random colors. Let's see if we find something good looking. Random. Okay, let's take green. But we can even go crazier. We can take an emoji or even a Genmoji, and we can just like a teddy eating pasta. So having something nice looking on the QR code, so customers might be more engaged to scan the QR code. But yeah, you can basically do whatever you want. And once we have that, there you see our teddy bear on the QR code. I can now even style this a bit more and go bigger. And then we can also see that in big here now. And then once you're done, you can just share this. I will do it not now. But from there you can print it, or you can get the PNG file and save that on your website, or print it out and put it on your tables or your counter, so customers easily find your QR code. This works with iOS and Android, so anyone can scan that and can easily give you 5 stars. And we're not done yet. You can do the same with the NFC tag. These are NFC tags. These can be presented to someone's phone, and you can do the same here with the Google review link. I hope that video explains how to make that, and I see you in the next video. Bye.